foot. Oh, you're gonna take the shoe off too?
Here, I'll hold it. I got it.
He's gonna hold it in between his toes.
Oh my god. Wow.
Can you spread your toes? Please?
I don't want to have my...
Oh, I'm nauseated.
So you're gonna stay the night if I do this?
Yeah.
I swear to God, if you back out.
I will stay. I will stay tonight if you do that.
This is one of the most awkward things.
Please don't kick him in the face, Kevin. Don't kick him in the face.
It's weird, like, oh, my legs still. You can't bite my fucking toes,
No,
man.
you have to take the whole thing. You have to take the whole thing.
There's so many bites.
No, you gotta take the whole thing.
Take it all.
My toe.